All right, now we're going to do algebraic proofs where none of the steps are filled in for us. So remember, our very first step is always the given, and so we're going to write 3x plus 1 equals negative 14, and our reason is given. All right, so then when we go to solve this equation, the first thing we're going to do is subtract 1 from each side, and when I do that, you can show the work on here if you want, it's up to you. We're left with 3x equals negative 15. I subtracted from both sides, so that is subtraction property is my reason. And then my next step is to divide both sides by 3, and then I'm left with x equals negative 5. And since I divided both sides, that reason is division property. On to number 2. All right, so again, we're going to start with the given. And anytime we do these, you're always welcome to pause the video and try them on your own. And then you can check your work on your own. Completely up to you. All right, so we'll start with the given. 2 times the quantity x minus 9 equals negative 10. Our reason is given. And then the first thing we're going to do is distribute that 2. So 2x minus 18 equals negative 10. And my reason is distributive property. Then I'm going to add 18 to both sides, and I'm left with 2x equals 8. And since I added to both sides, my reason is addition property. And then I'm going to divide both sides by 2, and I get x equals 4. And since I divided both sides, my reason is division property. On to number 3. Start with the given. M over negative 3 plus 10 equals negative 1. My reason is given. I'm going to subtract 10 from both sides. That leaves me with m over negative 3 equals negative 11. I subtracted both sides, so my reason is subtraction property. And then to get rid of that 3 on the bottom, I'm going to multiply both sides by negative 3, and I get m equals 33. And since I multiplied both sides, my reason is multiplication property. All right, and then on to the next one. So notice we're not using all the lines. Sometimes you will, sometimes you won't. All right, so the last one, 5y minus 1 over 2 equals 7. And our reason is given. And since that whole side is over 2, we're going to multiply both sides by 2 to get rid of that. So I get 5y minus 1 equals 14. I multiplied both sides, so multiplication property is my reason. Then I'm going to add 1 to both sides, and I get 5y equals 15. And I added to both sides, so addition property. And then divide both sides by 5, and I get y equals 3, and my reason is division property. And there you go, just completed lots of proofs.